Hello friends! Welcome to my golden thimble. I am Daphne and today I'm very happy to guide you through the art of sewing the perfect invisible zipper by using this handy attachment called the invisible zipper presser foot. Invisible zippers, they are different from traditional zippers because the teeth are hidden behind the seams of the zipper, hence the word invisible. They will create a sleek and seamless look without any visible zippers, so they are really going to look like any other seam of your sewing project. Invisible zippers are often used in dresses, pants, and other garments where cleaning less is desired, but they can also be used for home decor projects like cushion covers, pillowcases, to give them really this clean look. So, let's learn how to sew them, shall we?
First, let's identify the invisible zipper foot. We have this one over here, this one that is our most popular, and the transparent one. By the way, if you want to know where I got my presser foot collection, I will leave you the link in the description. These are all practically the same. They have this little shank that you will use to attach to your sewing machine, the hole for the needle, and on the back these two channels from which the teeth of our zipper are going to travel. This version has a slightly longer divider on the front, and the transparent one is the same but allows you to see the fabric underneath. I'm going to start with a step that is really optional but very helpful. You are going to open and press the zipper teeth open in a low iron setting. Then, to get our fabric ready for the zipper, press two strips of lightweight fusible interfacing on the ground side of the fabric where you will sew the zipper. Remember to tap the iron instead of pressing and sliding for better results to this. Now we have our fusible interfacing ready. Turn your pieces to the right side. Open your zipper and place the left side of the tape on the left side of the fabric with the right sides together. Check carefully how much seam allowance you need on the top to figure out if you need to move your zipper up or down from where the stopper is. Alrighty, change your presser foot for the invisible zipper foot and align the teeth of the zipper on the left end of the presser foot. A great tip for excellent results is to align the needle as close as you can to the back part of the zipper teeth. So move it to the right or to the left as needed, but not too close that you are going to sew the teeth instead of only the tape. Start sewing until you reach the mark where you want your zipper to stop, and you will end with something like this. Okay, now let's find and mark where our zipper ends to mark the zipper tape and the other side of the fabric. Open your zipper again and turn it facing up. Then, just as I'm doing here, take the right side of the zipper tape and turn it towards the right side of the fabric with the right sides together. We are going to sew the side the same way we did with the other side, except this time we are going to place the zipper teeth on the right end on the invisible zipper foot. Once you have that ready, close your zipper. To finish, we are going to close the remaining seam by aligning the fabric edges by using a regular zipper foot. So, change your zipper foot and start sewing the regular seam allowance until you reach the previous seam. Very carefully, try to sew as near as possible to complete the seam. This is how your seam will end up looking. Finally, open your seam allowance and press. Now, another thing you might want to do is to make a stopper or shorten your zipper. If you don't know how to do that, we have a great sewing tutorial that I will link to the description of this video on how to shorten zippers. And there you go, my beautiful friend. You have learned how to use an invisible zipper foot. As always, pretty pleased with a cherry on top. If you like this tutorial and you want me to keep putting up videos like this, like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel so we can reach more people like you. Happy sewing!